So we have finally reached Himachal and this is our place. We are at McLeodganj and we are staying at Himtrek property and it's really good. We also have a guide. Guide बोलते हैं ना कि भैंस है. So this is the property I will be staying at. This is the bed. I really like the print of the bed sheet. Look at this. A separate thing is there for the clothes. Then we have a mirror here and here's the eating setup. The best part because of which you book this room is this, the balcony. You can't see me because there's no light. Wait. Yeah. So this is the balcony. I've provided this thing. We have like red for hot water, yellow for normal water, and this is really thoughtful. I really appreciate that. So this is the floor we are staying at. Like if you can see the view is really amazing. I think in the morning it will be much better. Now it's like normal. We are on the top floor. We can also go above from this stairs, but it's too dark and it's a little scary. So yeah, this is the place. I'm in love with this property. It's really amazing. Let me show you the overall things. Like I'm very much happy. Like it took a lot of time for us to reach here. So this was the entrance of the property. Really good, really lovely. And yeah, now let me just change it, eat my dinner, and later on we'll go down to explore the market also. So I'm all ready now. We are going to go down here to see the bonfire and everything. This is my outfit for the night. We came super late here, like we were expecting like by 4 p.m. we will be here, but we reached here around 7:30. So first day is almost gone, but it's fine. The property is really good, so it makes up for that. It's 7 in the morning. I'm all awake. Nobody has woken up yet. I'm the only one who is awake at this property. You can see how beautiful this place looks like. You can see the mountains. Let me zoom in. Here we have the mountains. The view is very beautiful. I'm awake since 5 p.m. Whenever I travel, I'm unable to sleep. I just can't sleep because I'm like, if I have come somewhere, I want to travel. I want to explain. I rented the shoes from here because they told me the shoes I have carried that won't work, so I have a different shoes for that. कैसे चलेंगे?
कोई बात नहीं, रास्ते में हाफ पॉइंट पे रुक जाना भाई, लड़के आ जाएंगे तो वापस आ जाना भाई।
ऊपर रुकने वाले ना कैंप लगा के।
हाँ, भी अपने का लोग।
हाँ, वो हिमट्रैक के साथ आया ना, उन लोगों ने किया।
अभी लोग जा रहे हैं उनके साथ साथ में चलते रहना।
रास्ता भी इतना खराब है। क्या हो रहा है? I am already stressed. I don't think so I will be able to complete this trek. It's very, very difficult. But yeah, hoping for the best. I'm very bad at walking. Even for like 10 minutes, I take cabs. So it's gonna be a tough time for me, but hoping for the best. Not even a half. But yeah, still there. Somewhere. It's very tough for me. The view is to die for. Ah, damn. Mountain. I'm already so tired. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy. Look at me. I'm struggling so hard. It's very, very tough. First मैंने एक बॉम्बर जैकेट पहना था, उसके ऊपर मैंने एक वेस्ट लेदर का पहना था, then vest denim. I removed all of them. It's very hot. I'm trekking alone. I lost my friends. I don't know where they are. There's like no network. It's all empty. It's all empty. There's like nobody here. I'm just walking alone. I don't know ये लोग कहाँ चले गए. मैं पहले स्लो चल रही थी, फिर जल्दी जल्दी चलने के चक्कर में मेरे दोस्त पीछे रह गए. अभी और भी बहुत चढ़ना. मैं यहाँ अकेले चल रही हूँ. आई एम मेकिंग वीडियो जस्ट इन केस कुछ हो जाए. बस चल रही हूँ मैं. I have to climb so much. This is the toughest thing I have ever done. How will I reach? I'm so stressed. मेरा नेटवर्क नहीं है, मेरे दोस्तों की कॉल नहीं लग रही. हम यहाँ पे देखो इतना चढ़ कर आई हूँ मैं. अभी और चढ़ना है. मैं थोड़ी थक गई हूँ. मेरे आगे पीछे कोई भी नहीं है. I'm a little scared, but like I always do things alone. I can do this as well. Not a tough thing. I will do it. I will do it. इतना पूरा चढ़ के आई हूँ मैं. अब वहाँ जाना है. वो दिख रहा है. I can't believe I have climbed a mountain. Damn.
देख उसमें लिखा है I know what I can do, so I never doubt myself.
I'm happy.
कि हो गई नहीं.
I can't believe it. I have climbed this much. I have climbed a mountain. So never doubt yourself. कर सकते हो तुम लोग भी. मैं इतना ये चढ़ गए ना हम लोग.
नीचे से पूरा चलते हमको.
So I have climbed all these. इतना चढ़ के मैं ऊपर आई हूँ. Can you see? Now it's 1.5 kilometer, right?
Yes.
1.5 kilometer more to go. It feels like Kashmir. ऐसा लग रहा है I'm in Kashmir. This is giving me max Laila Majnu vibe. How beautiful. Damn. Look at the view. I have climbed that much. Like I have to climb more. And my gloves fell. You know, it's not that easy. But yeah, it's not that difficult also. It's good. It's a good experience. I'm so drained right now. It's like too close yet too far. And we are at the top. I have like sabzi dal. This is like a Himalayan food. The roti looks interesting. I started watering. I've never ever tried food like this. Like, I'm staying in this tent, and this is me. I have like 2 combles, my thing, and this is something like I have to get inside this. There's a cap also, so this is how it will be, and then you have to take this. This is like for the first time I'm doing all this. So tired. The trek was too much, like a little difficult, but it was a good experience overall. I've never tried this also, and even when we talk about the food, we got the food also they prepared for us. Right now I'm very tired. So yeah, I will sleep now. So I want to take pictures in sari, so I'm getting ready in the tent. I don't know how it will happen, but we'll try our best. This is a ready to wear sari. Can you see my hair? It looks so bad, like it has got static and it's not trimmed. So we have our blouse and our beautiful sari. I don't know what's wrong with my hair. भाई पहाड़ों में स्टार्टिंग हो रहा है. Putting some blush. Putting some clip because I'm not liking the hair situation. I have all the makeup thingy. This is the earring. I don't know how successful we will be, but I will be trying my best. The bindi. The blush. Lip combo. ठीक है. The lipstick is done. The favorite gloss to top it up. बड़ी गंदी हैंडकफ चूल्हे की पहन ले। So let's go. So we are going down. The trek is over and it was really amazing. You can look at the view. The view is to die for. It's really good. At the end of the video I told that I think I won't be able to come up, but I did it. Look at the view. Damn. So that's all. Let's go home. Going down now. इतना ऊपर चलकर आई हूँ मैं, अब जा रही हूँ नीचे।